Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Medic Alexis and welcome to the series The Medicine Behind the Miracle. In this series, we explore the medical side of biblical miracles, not to explain them away, but to understand the incredible conditions that were miraculously healed. So welcome to episode 1 of The Medicine Behind the Miracle. So today we're looking at one of the most astonishing stories in the Bible, which is the raising of Lazarus. Lazarus was dead for 4 days before being brought back to life. But what actually happens to the human body during those first 4 days after death? And what does the term Lazarus effect mean in medicine? Let's break it down. Immediately after death, the body undergoes several changes. The heart stops beating, the lungs stop working, and even the brain stops sending signals. Basically, life as we know it literally ends. Within minutes, the skin begins to pale, a condition known as pallor mortis. The body also begins to cool down, a condition known as algor mortis, losing about 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius per hour until the body reaches the surrounding temperature. Around 2 to 6 hours after death, rigor mortis begins. This is when the muscles of the body begin to stiffen. It starts with small muscles in the face and hands. Meanwhile, cells are already beginning to die due to lack of oxygen, with the brain cells being the most sensitive. By the second day, rigor mortis peaks and muscles are stiff all over. Also, blood settles in the lowest part of your body, giving a purple-red discoloration called livor mortis. Inside, cells start digesting themselves in a process called autolysis. Also, soft tissues and organs begin to break down, setting the stage for decomposition. Even though it's early, changes are irreversible, and at this point, medically speaking, revival without a miracle is impossible. After 2 to 3 days, decomposition accelerates and the body begins to bloat as gases are formed from bacterial activity. Skin starts to blister and the odor of decomposition begins as internal organs continue breaking down. Now the body structure is weakening and significant changes in color and texture are happening. By day 4, when Lazarus was reportedly raised, the body is already undergoing advanced decomposition. Tissue breakdown is significant, gases have caused bloating, and the skin shows a greenish black discoloration. At this point, from a purely medical perspective, revival is impossible. And this is what makes the story of Lazarus so remarkable. It defies every law of biology that we know. Now, you may have heard of the Lazarus effect. It's named after this very story, but it's not quite the same thing. The Lazarus effect is a rare case where patients spontaneously return back to life after CPR has failed, and it is usually within minutes, not days. Mechanisms are not fully understood, but it involves the delayed return of circulation after resuscitation efforts. While being fascinating, it's nothing like the biblical miracle. It is a tiny medical scale phenomenon compared to being dead for 4 days. And that's the medicine behind the miracle. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more medical explanations behind biblical healings, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.